The lighting ceremony, we've always had the Coffinwood lights, and everybody has always drove by and watched them, and of course listened to them over the little miniature broadcasts that I do to the street. But I wanted to make it a little bit better and try to get the community a little bit more involved and allow them to see and put on a little show for the actual lighting. It was a lot of fun too.
It was a lot of fun. It's been a great turnout today, and I'm so excited to be doing music. My wife and I actually wrote an original score for this event. We wrote our own rendition of Making Christmas, and we wrote an original song called Carol of the Coffin, which we are going to be putting together an entire album based around Coffinwood and the story, and we got a lot of cool stuff in the works right now. But music has been great, turnout's been great, it's been wonderful being out here.
He cut 2 different scores for this year's ceremony, and we're going to continue building off of that every year. We're going to try to do another couple of scores, and every year, you know, the theme of the Coffinwood light show changes, so he'll have to adapt and overcome. It's a lot of fun. He's very creative, makes some really good music, and you know, I gave him a couple of key pointers to go after, and he nailed it. It was really good. I plan on doing a lighting ceremony every year from here on out, so we can call this one the first annual. I like it. I like seeing everybody's responses. You know, as an artist, you know, sometimes you don't get, you know, you hang your pictures on the wall or whatever, and you don't get to hear everybody's response from it. So this is actually fun to actually see how everybody responds to it. And you know, I will put out that also there was a lot of people that actually helped with this display. I call them the coffin crew, and you have the twins, and you have Gabe and Angelique and Michael. They're all involved in it, and they put a lot of work into it, and it was really cool to see the crowd's response to the work that they put in. You know, and they basically just built off of everything that was, you know, already here. So it was a lot of fun to see their ideas come to light.
I feel very warm in my heart and very grateful that we get to do this kind of stuff for a living, and be able to impact the community in a positive way, and be able to share our artwork and make the Christmas season beautiful and grand for the goers who come here. And it's really, sharing our artwork with the community is really heartwarming, and we're super grateful, and I feel grateful that everybody came out today. My music is available on all major platforms. Just search Gabe Smith. I'm on my 4th major album right now, and I have a 5th one on the way that we've been recording diligently. And I also have a YouTube channel where I document my entire existence, Light Designs on YouTube, as well as Bad Neighbor Supply Co. on YouTube. You can catch me here every second Saturday of the month at Coffinwood. Our next show here is December 9th, and we're going to be having live music and tours of the compound, and it's going to be a really cool event.